Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Simone SHARICE and welcome back to my client series. So what I'm doing right now is I'm actually making the unit before my client comes over to my house, and I'm making the unit with hair from Supernova hair. Love them, and this is about my third or fourth video that I've done with them. Next, it's time for me to actually go ahead and bleach the knots. So I'm going to be using a 30 developer with L'Oreal Quick Blue, I believe it's called. And I'm going to have it on the hair, well, the knots, for a total of 12 to 15 minutes. But make sure you're monitoring it. Now it was time to actually cornrow her hair. So I only did about 5 cornrows on each side, making that a total of 10 cornrows or braids. After that, we went straight into just sewing up her braids. You can pin the braids up. As you guys will see in my next set of client series, I pin them, I sew them, I put it with a stocking cap up. Everyone has their own preference. After that, she wanted her hair to be jet black, so we went ahead and did the watercolor method with Adore Jet Black, and it actually took very well to it. Now, I will say, do not leave the lace in the bucket, okay? Because I tested out a small piece of lace from the lace front, and it actually did turn the lace a little bit of a grayish, dark, weird color. So as you can see, I'm not really hitting the roots of the top of the wig, well, of the lace frontal. I'm actually just holding it and getting it as close as possible, but it will stain the lace. There are methods to prevent this, but I was already on a roll, so I didn't do that. I only condition the hair, don't shampoo it, because since it is the watercolor method, it will strip the color as quick as possible. After that, I went straight into just blow drying the hair and flat ironing it, and then I went ahead and plucked the front just a little bit. So I always stress plucking it to your client's liking, because some people like it to be over plucked, some people like a natural look. So really do it based on how they like it or what your typical technique is. So I don't take away a lot. I kind of like it to be as natural as possible, and I am using this hot comb to just flatten out the sides of the hair, the hairline, and the middle part. And my middle part needs to be flat, y'all, because I don't play. I don't like no humps in my hair. I don't like when it looks lumpy. So it's really important to make sure your middle part, your wig, your side part, whatever, is as flat as hell. Now, when you're using this hot comb, if you are going to use this one instead of a pluggable one, make sure it's not as hot, because it will melt the lace in a hot second. So now it's time for installing the unit. Have your client hold the front, and then you just put the back on as proper as possible. Adjust it to her head. I did have to go ahead and cut a little bit of the lace by her ears. That's fine. That's actually very normal. You can see the lace actually did match her skin very well, because we didn't tint this at all. And then just cut following her hairline. I also didn't leave any extra lace on the front. I also didn't cut as close to the hairline. So, if that makes sense. We ain't done though. So, here I am still making it flat. So, I'm using my blow dryer and my roll brush, because this does wonders. And then I'm gonna use some Gotta Be glue to just help keep the wig in place and secure. She does have a headband on that I did add on myself. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and just cut off any excess lace that is just not sitting as flat as I want it to sit. Use the edge of a comb or a brush and just hold it down while you're blow drying. Do that to both sides. The ears are usually hard areas to have the lace stick down throughout the entire day, so I kind of spent a lot of time towards the ears area. Then I went ahead and tied her hair down with these black paper things that you can kind of find from your local beauty supply store or Amazon. And that was pretty much it. It was like a really easy install. It took some time because we went ahead and I had to dye it and everything. That's okay. Next, I went ahead and used some LA Pro Girl concealer, kind of more as close as possible to her skin color, and kind of brightens up her part a little bit because we didn't use a stocking cap. And you can do that sometimes if you're not really into the whole stocking cap thing. And here I am just perfecting her hair, and we are pretty much done with this entire tutorial. So thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know if you guys want me to do more client series. I'd be so happy to do some more. So far, it seems like you guys are liking it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Be sure to check out supernovahair.com, or the link is down below actually. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.